Tampa Bay Rays outfielder and first baseman have crushed the English in a play that is wreaking havoc among baseball fans across the country. Incredibly, Rays right fielder Carlos Gomez completed the foul sliding catch for a clutch in Saturday's home game against the Seattle Mariners, despite colliding with first baseman Jake Bauers. The collision produced a thunk sound that could be heard on the televised broadcast. Gomez's two-out catch, a foul ball from Ryon Healy, stopped the Mariners' runner in first place in the top of the seventh inning, sending the Rays to the bat with a 6-3 lead. Gomez and Bauers, both supposedly with drinks, were stunned for a moment in front of the Rays dugout, but both could remain in the game. The Rays won 7-3, breaking an 8-game losing streak. Both players also returned to the field on Sunday, looking no worse for the wear. "It was very scary," said Tampa Bay manager Kevin Cash about the collision after the game. "Both were really lucky to be fine.